This last bikepacking mission to Yosemite, going up a really gnarly hill in 105-degree heat, on the verge of heat exhaustion, cramping from my toes to my new titanium hips, buzzards flying up above, getting ready for me to pass out so they can pick at my eyeballs. Thought to myself, if I get back home alive, I'm definitely going to change this bike up. It's configured totally wrong. Too front heavy, too heavy in general. Just need proper gear to go on these bikepacking missions. So I'm back, getting ready to strip the bike down. But the one thing that bums me out is getting rid of this pizza rack. It's a grocery bag. Definitely one of my favorite items on the bike. Sad to see it go. Perfect for grocery missions. And real good to hold a skateboard on for skate missions. If you have a 14-inch wheelbase and above, it works perfect. Plenty of street missions, DIY missions, skate park missions. So I'm sad to see it go, but it's got to go because it sucks for bikepacking. But I'm going to dedicate one last day before the big funeral for the pizza rack. Gonna head to the skate park to roll around one more time. And head to the store to get some barbecuables and have a fitting last party in memory of my soon-to-be dead rack. So, stay tuned. See how I configured the bike. Getting ready for an upcoming mission, actually. So after I strip it down today, going to order all the new parts, put it all together, get back on the road. Bye now.